Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel All Exam Preparation. My name is Nordin Khan, and if I talk about my English journey, I have been learning English since last 1 year. Now I am improving my English daily basis. That's why I am creating this vlog, and today I am going to tell you something about has and have. I wrote it on that page. I think you can't see it properly. I would apply this picture on that video. You can check it structure and how to use it. Now here we talk about has and have, where we use it. Whenever we are discussing about recent past, then we use has and have, which happened like earlier and which happened recently. Like you have completed some work, like you went somewhere, then you have completed that some work. If work had already done, then you can use I did that work or I completed that work. You can use that at that time. Did did if you are asking some question, then you use did, and if you are telling, then you use verb with second form. And if I talk about has have, if I talk about this structure, the structure would be has and have, then subject, then verb ki third form, then object. And if I talk about positive structure would be subject, has have, then verb third, then object. And if I talk about negative, if I talk about negative structure would be subject, has have, not, then verb ki third form, then object. Now here we are going to give you some example, and then I would explain all of sentences, then we would be finish it. We would have finished that session after 5 minutes. Then now I'm going to give you some example. The first example is, have you gone to Delhi? If someone is asking to you this question, have you gone to Delhi? If you have gone there, you can say to him, yes, I have gone there. And if you haven't gone there, you can say, I have not gone there. And whenever we talk about someone else, like our fathers, our mother, our brother, means our relatives, then we use has have. Not only our relatives, whenever we talk about someone else, and with it also, we should include it here, because whenever we talk about it and uh, he see it, and other one also, then one noun also, like my father, my mother, and this type of subjects we consider. Whenever we talk about all of them, then we use has. What we use has, like, has your father gone to Haridwar? If someone is asking to you this question, if your father has gone there, you can see, you can say to him or her, then yes, he has gone there. And if someone is asking to you, like someone is saying to you, have you ever or have you gone to Haridwar, then you can say, yes, I have gone there, because we use have with I and we and plural subjects. So if I talk about next example, if you have some watched some many movies, like uh, s- one person can ask to you, have you watched this movie? Like, have you watched Pushpa movie? If you have watched this movie, you can say, yes, I have watched this movie. If you haven't watched that movie, you can say, no, I haven't watched that movie. And if I talk about has, if you can use it, has your mother watched that serial? There would be a particular serial. It's depend on subject, who object, who is asking that question. Then he can ask, like, has your mother watched Kumkum Bhagya and other one also? Then if your mother your mother has watched that serial, you can say to him or her, then yes, she has watched that serial. But nowadays she is not watching. If she is not watching, you can say she is not watching that serial. And if she is watching, you can say, yes, nowadays she is watching this serial. And uh, if I talk about other example, like, have you uh, have you punished your mother, and have you punished your sister? Then you can use, yes, I have punished him or her. uh, it's depend on object. If someone is saying to your sister and your female, means if object would be female gender, then you should use she. And if object would be female gender, you have to use he. And if I talk about in निर्जीव, if there would be a nirjeev things like pen and some tables and some books. You can use it there. And birds also means birds and other birds like all birds and animals where you use it. So now I'm going to finish it. Then after this, I would make a video on can. Then I would explain everything on can. Then we would be finished that one. Then we would be. I'm thinking now. Then should I make a video on all structure or not? Then if you would be comment into the box or you would be tell me, then I would make on that videos on all rule. I would teach all rule on videos. So now I'm going to finish it. If you liked this video, don't forget